Hey there, I am Amit Kumar Dev and I welcome you to this beginner-friendly class on sculpting in Blender. If you have ever been curious about how to sculpt fun, stylish characters or model but felt overwhelmed by all the tools, don't worry. This class is perfect starting point for you. In this class, we'll start slow and simple. First, I'll introduce you to Blender sculpting workspace and walk you through the most important brushes, what they do and how to use them effectively. Whether it's pushing, pulling or smoothing or pinching, you will understand how each brush helps shape your model. Here is what we will cover. Setting up your scene for sculpting. Exploring essential sculpting brushes like draw, inflate, grave, smooth and more. Tips to keep your mesh clean and smooth while sculpting. How to approach a sculpting workflow with confidence. And once you are comfortable with the brushes, we will move on to a simple hand-on demo. A fun little cartoony face sculpt. I'll show you how I approach it step by step, from shaping the head to carving out the eyes, nose, mouth and basic expressions. This part will help you connect everything you have learned and see it in action. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid foundation in Blender sculpting and you will feel ready to start creating your own stylish characters or model. Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to strengthen your fundamentals, this class is made with you in mind. Let's get sculpting and bring your imagination to life. See you in the next lesson.